What if I could tell you that you could change your entire mindset in just 5 minutes? Not tomorrow, not even a week, but today itself. You're not lazy, but you're just running on the wrong mental code. So let's fix that. Most of us wake up reacting to our phones, messages, and pressure. That's not mindset mastery, that's autopilot. A weak mindset looks for comfort, while a strong one, purpose, direction, discipline. So ask yourself, what am I feeding my mind every day? Fear or focus? Here's the truth, your thoughts shape your world reflects your habits, and your habits they start with belief. So at first, if you think that you cannot do it, you will never do it. So stop saying you cannot and start saying how can I? Even one small shift, waking up earlier, journaling, cutting one distraction can spark the momentum. Your brain is wired to follow patterns, so give it a better one. Here's your 3-step mindset reset. The first one is 5 minutes of silence every morning. No phone, just breathe. Just 5 minutes of complete silence. The next one is one clear goal daily. Just one clear goal. But that goal has to be very clear and you have to achieve that goal at the end of the day. So keep one goal very simple that you can achieve at the end of the day. But don't keep hard goals that you cannot even achieve. So that has no point. So set goals that guaranteed you can achieve at the end of the day. Now, the third one is consume one powerful idea, whether that is from a podcast, a book, or a video like this one. Repeat that for 7 days and you'll feel the shift. You don't need hours, you just need intentions. Mastering your mindset is not about being perfect, it's about showing up differently, but showing up every single day. That is mastering your mindset. And if you're ready for that, hit like, subscribe, and send it to someone who needs it. So, with this, goodbye and see you later.